What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another sneaker unboxing. Here we have a pair of Jordan 11s. This is the 30th anniversary Jubilee colorway. And my box is a little damaged, unfortunately. It is what it is. This is what the shoebox looks like. When I got it, it took me a little while to open it. I was trying to pull it from here. Nothing was happening. I was trying to pull it from here. Nothing was going on. I thought maybe I had the wrong side, but no. This is how you open the box right here. See this tab? You open this tab like that. One side opens. The next side opens. So you got a nice little gray side, which I think it's pretty nice looking. And a black side with the gray Jordan logo, kind of like a yin-yang thing. I'd really appreciate a black Jordan logo on this side. I think that would make the box a lot more attractive. Now, I've only ever seen a grade school pair of these, so this will be my first reaction to a men's pair. And here it is. The fact that this Jordan logo right here is metal, that makes the entire shoe in my opinion. So Jordan 11, Jubilee colorway, 30th anniversary edition. If you're having a tough time getting these, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. You should be able to get yourself a pair. All sizes are almost always available on StockX. It says number 23 on the back heel there. Similarly, it says 23 in the insole. You can't see that. Great lacing system on these. The patent leather is really nice. I'm gonna throw these on like usual. Let's grab the second of the pair. Second side, nothing special inside. No extra laces with mine. See that Jordan logo? It's beautiful. Easily a $500 pair of shoes in about a year. Canadian, that is. So let's say 410 US dollars. 415 US. All in all, it's a great pair of shoes. Let's do what we gotta do to loosen them up here so we can get them on. No metal lace tips on these, unfortunately, just the old school plastic ones. That's okay, that's okay. It's still definitely a good cop, in my opinion. I would have preferred some metal lace tips. I do think it matches my watch pretty well. Gonna have a YouTube video on this one pretty soon. Some of you may think it's an extremely expensive watch based on the silhouette, but it's not. It's a Casio. This is not the original strap either. I personally would rock these Jordan 11s loose. I don't know about you guys. Maybe I'll tighten them up. I'm not sure yet. Let's throw them on here. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Whoa, I can already tell these are really squeaky. They're very sticky. It's one of my favorite things about Jordans. They make a lot of noise. At least the good colorways do, or the good Jordans. All Jordan 1s are really squeaky too. So here they are on foot. As you can see, they're pretty fire. Definitely check out the StockX affiliate marketing link to get yourself a pair. They're pretty nice. Links in the description. There's also a link to get yourself some nice denim or joggers to go with sneakers from Amazon. That's an affiliate marketing link as well. I'm going to tie these up so you can see how it looks a little bit tighter. I definitely do respect the look where the laces are kind of put away. Let's go ahead and tie the other one. Let me know which look you like better, with loose laces or tight laces. I know for Jordan 1s and Yeezys per se, I like my laces pretty loose. Sometimes I will tie my laces on Jordan 1s, but that just depends on how my feet are feeling. If I have to walk a lot, I might tie those laces up. These Jordan 11s though, I do kind of prefer these tighter laces for this colorway in particular. Personally, I really like these. Quite a great shoe if you ask me. It's a Jordan 11. All Jordan 11s seem to be reasonable investments if you look at like StockX. They're just a little bit expensive to start out though. So it's really tough to say it's one of the better sneaker investments. I would say it's maybe a more secure sneaker investment, but maybe not the best return on investment. It's the Jordan 11 30th anniversary Jubilee. Thanks for watching the video. I'm going to show you the shoe real close, just in case you were wondering. This is 4K, by the way. Pretty nice patent leather down here. Reasonable leather up here too. This 23 is more of a sticker type material in my opinion. Could be glued on there. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the affiliate marketing links in the description. Again, this is the Jordan 11 Jubilee colorway. Pretty nice sneaker if you ask me. Goodbye.